Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to this channel, Taste of Asian Food. And for those who are new to this channel, my name is KP and I'm a restaurant owner for the past 20 years and now I'm concentrate on develop and share new recipes. For today's recipe, I'm going to have a recipe that is a hybrid of Chinese and Malay cooking. It is a truly homegrown Malaysian dish. It is called Kam Heong Chicken. So Kam Heong, it is two Chinese word pronounced in Cantonese, which means golden fragrance. And you can imagine this is going to be a golden fragrance chicken. So without further delay, let's dive into the details how to prepare Kam Heong chicken. These are the ingredients required to make Kam Heong chicken. First, we have some chicken. I'm using the deboned chicken, but you can use bone-in skin-on chicken. It is up to you. The chicken will then be marinated with some soy sauce, oyster sauce, some cornstarch, and keep it aside for half an hour to 1 hour to marinate it. Then the second set of the ingredients are here: chili, onions, we have some chopped garlic, curry leaves, and all these four ingredients will then saute together with some oil to make it to become very fragrant. And after that, add the dry shrimp, some Malaysian curry powder, more oyster sauce, soy sauce, some sugar, some dark soy sauce for the color, and put it together with the aromatic ingredient that we have sauteed to become a Kam Heong sauce. And then lastly, add the chicken in, mix together, and that's it. That's the Kam Heong chicken. Marinate the chicken with some soy sauce, some oyster sauce, and some cornstarch, plus a little bit of vegetable oil. Mix well and set it aside for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Soak the dry shrimp in water to soften it for about 15 minutes. Chop the chili into small pieces. If you are sensitive to chili, please wear a glove. I'm quite used to it, so it's okay for me. Remove the seeds if you do not want it to be too spicy. Just pick up the chili and don't pick up the seeds. Now we have all these four ingredients to be sauteed with oil. Let's get back to the dry shrimp. I've washed the dry shrimp after it's become soft and clean with plenty of water. Now I put the dry shrimp on a piece of paper towel to keep it dry because I'm going to fry the dry shrimp afterwards. Give the dry shrimp a few rough chops so that it is more enough to cling on to the surface of the chicken. Saute the garlic and also the onions with some vegetable oil until aromatic. Halfway sauteing the garlic and onion, add the dry shrimp and the curry leaves. Now mix the following ingredients together: oyster sauce, some Malaysian curry powder, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce for the color mainly, add some water, and sugar, and with the water make it to become a thick gravy or thick sauce so that the curry powder will be able to distribute evenly. Add the chili as well as the seasoning that we have prepared just now. Mix everything together and let it cook for a while until all the moisture is nearly all evaporated. The Kam Heong sauce is now ready. Now let's get back to the chicken. Transfer the chicken to a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Put it in the oven, preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the color turns golden brown. Bake the chicken until golden brown. The chicken is now in the oven and we are going to wait for at least 20 to 25 minutes to wait until it becomes golden brown. So I want to take this opportunity to point out there are two differences that I have done in this recipe compared with the traditional method. The first thing is today I'm using boneless chicken. And traditionally the Chinese and the Malay usually we use bone-in, skin-on chicken, and that's the norm that we cook. We cook curry, we cook many other dishes, and we usually use bone-in and skin-on chicken. But I also understand that there are certain people just don't like that. They just used to have breast meat or at least chicken thigh meat that is without bone. So today I'm using chicken thigh meat without bone, and I believe that the result will be more or less the same. And the second difference than the traditional method is today I bake it in the oven instead of deep frying it. When we work in a restaurant, we usually deep fry it because that is the fastest way to get things done. Time is precious in the restaurant. And also at home, sometimes we just don't know what to do with the oil after deep frying unless we know we are going to deep fry something else. And also, if you would like to air fry it, by all means air fry it, and it should work very well. The color of the chicken has changed and is already cooked. So now it comes to the final step, that is to mix the chicken with the Kam Heong sauce. Add the chicken to the sauce. Combine everything and stir fry for half a minute, and it is time to serve. It is a very colorful and enticing dish. That's how to make Kam Heong chicken, and I hope you will love it. And if you are looking for an homegrown Malaysian style Chinese recipe, this is the one. And I've left the recipe in the description below the video, and I will also include the recipe at the end of this video for your convenience. If you want to download the recipe, please visit my website tasteasianfood.com, and you can download the recipe of Kam Heong chicken and read more about it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.